Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Okay, you first have to understand that they have thousands of stuff that goes in all the time. And if you're talking about when you log in online and it tells what's going on, the fact that it might not say that they received the request for evidence by itself shouldn't get you concerned. But I need to know how you sent it in, because whenever my firm sends anything into immigration, it's through FedEx or UPS where it has to be signed. And the person who signs it, I get evidence of that, and I get what time they got it, so that they can't say, oh, we never got it. Because I guarantee you, if you didn't do that, it likely went to where it was supposed to, but nobody's going to say, oh yes, I forgot about that package and I accidentally put it in a pile somewhere. And it likely, if the RFE deadline has passed and they claim they never got it, whatever you applied for is going to be denied. Now, that's the first thing. Secondly, it's not only whether you see or don't see it on the online when you check, it's whether you did it right. You know what a request for evidence is. That is basically their way of saying they're going to deny it unless you submit what they're asking for and submit it in a manner that convinces them not to deny it. So a lot of people think that they just send in, 1, 2, 3 documents, whatever, and that it's guaranteed to be approved. And that is by far not the case. Normally a request for evidence, when we send it in, it has a legal brief. It goes through every single thing that they said they wanted, and then it goes through every single point as to why it has been submitted, or why it cannot be submitted, or why it legally is not required to be submitted. I've had many RFEs over the years where some officer says, I want to see this, 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 and this, and it's not part of the petition. So I gently quote the law, whether it's cases or regulations, and let them know that that's not required in order to prove or get an approval of the petition. So make sure it was done properly. Hopefully you sent it in and you have some signed evidence that it was received, and you go from there. Okay?